All right, guys, someone's potentially coming to look at this right now. And from the sound of it, I think they're gonna buy it for asking price, which that was the first thing he ever said. I'll pay asking price for it. So hey, whatever, but there's a good chance that she ain't gonna be here in a while. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And before we actually get into today's video, I'll just play a clip right here real quick. All right, guys, someone's potentially coming to look at this right now. I think they're gonna buy it for asking price, which that was the first thing he ever said. I'll pay asking price for it. So hey, whatever, but there's a good chance that she ain't gonna be here in a while. So on to what we're actually doing in today's video. Something I haven't covered in, well, a decent amount of time here is my 1980 Trans Am pace car. I have not had a lot of time recently. As you guys can see, I don't think I've made a video over this thing this year yet. Let me just check real quick. I don't think I did. 3 months ago, what was that? Hey, I got ads. That's cool. I don't get any revenue. December 29th of last year. So yeah, I have not made a video yet this year. I've been very busy. I have not been able to do a lot on this car. It gets to me too, because I was getting, there was decent progress being made on this car, and it's came to a grinding halt pretty much. We got it's on a rotisserie right now, so I can easily fix the rockers, because they did do a patch on that side. You guys could see. I don't want to open the door. I don't think it's locked right now, and the whole thing will go. But I have to repair down here. You guys can see massive dent right here. It goes, whoa. I have to pull that out. Actually, no, I don't have to pull that out. I have brand new pieces right here. Bottom of the quarter in front on both sides, because both sides are, I think the side's the worst side. Oh yeah. Full 5 inches of body filler. Look at that shit. Fucking rust hole. They just. And even up here where they seamed it, this is the original rocker, and this is like the skin or whatever they put on it. We have the subframe taken off right here. It's just sitting here with the nose on it. Just perfect. Now this is off. I can strip all the, the control arms, the springs, everything, the core support. Get this all off of it, bring this outside, pressure wash the shit out of it, coat it. I might do a chassis saver, just black, because it's not rusty. It'll look pretty good. I'll do that, and the core support in the exact same thing. I will have to do some body work on the bumper because it's not perfect. These are supposed to line up. They don't. It's also cracked, so I mean, you have to take that in consideration. But it's on the rotisserie. T-top regions are 100% completed, as you guys well have known here for quite some time. These are all ready to go. This is not the trunk I used. Well, I am using, the trunk I'm using is actually in that room over there. In the last video, which is about 4 months ago at this point, damn near. Well, for one, it was on the ground with all the, suspension on it, the front subframe, and the rear end, which is not here anymore either. It's sitting right there. The door's not here, and that black repop fender is not here. The reason is they got body worked and now they need to get coated. My door right here, this was the passenger door. And just to give you guys an example of how bad this thing was. So this is metal, right? This area right here is metal. Everywhere you see this, like the white, gray, whatever you want to call it, that's all a very skim coat of body filler. That's like the whole door. That's how bad this door, like the whole bottom of this thing was bad. Somebody used a dent puller and pulled them out right here. It was not good. And here's the brand new fender. And this just shows you guys, these are also new. I couldn't use my old ones because of different nose and whatnot. But this was a brand new fender. And as you guys can see, right down here, all of this was made incorrectly. Those are ready to get that yellow stuff on them, and they'll look exactly the same as the door that's on the car right now, and the fender, which I think is up here, right here. So they'll be in the exact same state as that. Once those are in the exact same state, I'm just gonna get in an all-out grind mode and sand all of them all at once. The hood. Damn, where's the hood? So the hood, my trunk lid in here, the one I'm using is right here. So the hood, the trunk, and that fender that's up there, they're ready to go. At least they have one more grit I have to sand them in. So I'll get this door, this fender to the exact same state. I think they're in 400 right now. I can't remember. I think it might be in, I think they're in 400. Get them to one state, leave them. Get the body, same thing. Find it, we'll replace obviously this right here. Find any places that need some body filler in them. Get them going good. Coat the car in that same yellow stuff. That just helps fill in like little pits and stuff. It's like a poly urethane, I think. It's pretty good for that. But get those in the exact same state. Get this in the exact same state as those fenders and doors. And then have everything, car, door, fender, hood, trunk. And then hopefully I can get like, I don't know, some people to help me. And just knock all of it out in that final grid. And then after that, it's all ready to paint. And since I'm doing a metallic, you have to paint with at least the panels in the same orientation as how they'd sit on the car. So if you paint the car with metallic, like it is right now, where it normally would be as if you're on the road, the metallic's gonna lay a certain way. But if you paint it like on that horse in there, where it's laying flat on the ground, like that gas tank is, the metallic will not flow the same onto the panel. And if it's a fender, like if you did a door hanging, how it will be on the car, and a fender laying down on the ground, you'd be able to tell immediately they were painted, well, it wouldn't look correct. They'd be mismatched. So we'll get that done. And then after that, guys, after that, I'm gonna mock up the drivetrain. I'm either going with that LT1 over there that's bored out to a 383. They have, I don't know what kind of cam they got in it, but they did cam heads. It might be a built bottom end too. I think it might be. That's why I'm thinking about going with that and not the stock LS1 up front. It probably makes, I think the guy we bought it from, which was a whole thing. It was this motor and the T56 right here. And if I don't use this and I use the LS, I'm gonna have to get a different bell housing to mate up to the LS1 instead of this one. But this is already built. If I just do a coil unplug setup instead of the OptiSpark, which is right here, you can see it, it will pretty much be an LS at this point. Because I'm not doing the OptiSpark, that's just, no. If my water pump ever leaked, donezo. Convert to a coil unplug. I have to run like a Holly or something anyway. Maybe like a Terminator. That's what I'm thinking. Get that all hooked up. Get the 6-speed in here. I'm gonna have to hack the tunnel up a little bit to actually fit it in here. Not too much, hopefully. Get my drive shaft length figured out. Possibly just give it to a drive shaft shop. We have one about like half an hour from here. give them my actual drive shaft, have them chop it, and make her fit all up and nicely. And then standalone wiring harness, the Holly, everything like that, all the interior stuff, because I am going with a different look. All my plastic trim pieces that go here, and the packaging tray panel and the dash, as you can see, is just destroyed. I'm not leaving it in there like that. All that work and it looks like garbage. New headliner, all that, new seats, carpet. So that's gonna be like a more expensive zone area type beat. And then painting obviously is gonna be a little expensive too. But she's getting there. She is getting there. I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more videos coming over the channel, more videos coming over the Firebird here. This thing hopefully gone. The next thing coming to the channel after this thing's gone, I think you guys are gonna be pretty shocked, honestly. It's not a two-door, it's not a sedan, it's not a convertible, it's not a truck, it's not a van, it's none of those. So I don't know, if you guys want to guess, go in the comments and guess. But it's none of those, and it's nothing similar to this. Sadly, it is an automatic. Yeah, I know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this thing's not in my hair much longer here. Again, if you want to buy it, hit me up, I'll sell it to you. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming over the channel, and I'll see all y'all in the next one.